This video will give you an overview of the cue layout and operations. Q16 has 16 identical fader strips in one bank. Q24 has 24. These provide access to the input and master channel levels and processing. There are 3 layers. Press the lower key to access the mono channels, the upper key to access the stereo channels, FX returns, FX send and mix masters. Press both keys together to access the custom layer. The faders are motorized and instantly move to show the current settings. The mute key turns off the channel audio signal, including the send to all mixes and effects. Press the select key to access the channel processing. Pan and other parameters can be adjusted using either the superstrip control or the full color touchscreen with dedicated screen keys. Press the PAFL key to listen to the channel using headphones and check its level on the main meters. The strip meters let you keep an eye on signal levels by displaying channel levels before the fader and mute control. Peak lights red to warn that the signal is too hot and gain should be reduced. Peak senses the signal at several points within the channel. Q provides an extra dedicated fader strip for the mix master currently selected using the mix keys alongside. During normal operation, this is set to the main LR mix and the other faders control the main level of the corresponding channels. Pressing another mix key presents the sends to that mix or effect on the channel faders. Move a fader to adjust its send level. When a stereo mix is active, the pan rotary in the superstrip will control the channel send pan to the active mix. Channels can be set pre or post fade and assigned to the currently selected mix using the select keys. Hold the assign key to view and toggle the current assignments. The select keys light when the channel is assigned to the mix. Similarly, hold the pre-fade key to view and toggle the current pre-post fade settings. The select keys light when set to pre-fade. It is typical to use pre-fade for monitor sends and post-fade for effect sends. Alternative access to mix assignments and send levels for the currently selected channel is provided in the routing screen. This also gives access to direct out global settings and mute group master controls and setup. To assign a single channel or effect to one or 4 mute groups, use the Mute Group Assign tab. To assign multiple channels, press the function key and select the tab for the mute group you wish to assign. Mute masters can be accessed from the home screen too, or assigned to the soft keys. Pressing a mute master instantly mutes all assigned channels, for example, all the drum kit or all effects returns between songs. The mute keys will flash red to show that that channel is muted by a mute group. While mixing, the meter screen provides a convenient view of all channels, mix and FX signal activity. For optimum performance, the loudest signal should read into the yellow. Reduce the level to avoid distortion if any red peak meter flashes. Increase levels if the meter readings are consistently low. Finally, the RTA screen displays a real-time analyzer of the frequency content of the signal currently monitored using the PAFL keys. This is a useful tool to help you identify problem frequencies such as room resonance and feedback. Regardless of the screen you are in, the toolbar always displays useful information including the current last recalled scene and next scene as selected in the scene list, the behavior of a function key, a desnake status icon to show connection of an audio rack, a USB icon when a compatible USB drive is plugged in, and the Q drive recording and playback transport status. To safely shut down the mixer, touch shut down in the home screen before pressing the on-off power switch.